Hi guys, this is my book report. The title is The Digas Girl by A.J. Adam. The Digas Girl by A.J. Adam is captivating historical fiction novel set in 19th century Paris, exploring the life of young ballet dancer who became the most of renowned artist Edgar Degas, navigating her dreams and be complicit of identity along the way. Why you choose this book? I choose this book, the Degas Girl, because I feel the pain of situation and experience with violence. And the characters Cassie, the main protagonist, a talented ballet dancer with the dreams and become a star. Edgar Degas is the owner of arts who capture Cassie's spirit and challenge her perception of art of life. And Madame G is Cassie's mentor who represents the traditional ballet world and the expectation placed on young women. What the book conflict? The interplay between art and life, the pursuit of the one dreams and the exploitation of identity. Example of them. Identity. Cassie journey effect reflect the research of the one true self, abdication and sacrifice, the cost of pursuing dreams, especially in competition world, personal and reputation. The book emphasizes that art can be transformative force in one life, helping individuals discover their paths and purpose. What I like this book? I like this book is description of art and ballet and how it brought the story to life. What I dislike this book. Some parsing issue in the middle section where the plot slow it down. Favorite part of scene I love the most when Cassie's likeness and capturing Degas' art, symbol of her group. Why do you recommend it? I recommended this book because, yes, I recommend this beautiful written novel that appeals to the art lovers and who does appreciate historical fiction. And the final thought, The Degas Girl is the moving narrative about art, ambition, and capacity of identity. And lesson learned, pushing your dreams often become with sacrifice, but your journey is important to this destination. And I thank you. That's all. Thank you.